I got a $20,000 personal loan from Penfed with fair credit. I used to have terrible credit, now it's fair credit. It was a journey, but I learned a few things and I want to share it with you. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. On this episode, we're going to talk about how to get a personal loan and get fundable. Now, at the time when I got approved for the 20K from Penfed, my credit score was 667, and the credit bureau that they checked was Experian. Usually they check Equifax when it comes to credit cards, so I guess with the loan products, they check Experian. With the credit card products, they check Equifax, so just keep that in mind. Not actually apply for the loan, it's self-explanatory. You go on the website, you go under loans, you go under personal loans, you check rate. You could be a member or a non-member. Check rate, fill out all your information, do what you gotta do, and pretty much if you do get approved, they're gonna tell you what you qualify for, what your interest rate is, and you can take it from there. And another thing, if you do get approved, expect some text messages from PenFed. They're going to be emailing you, text messaging you like every day or every other day, telling you to finish up your application if you got approved and you didn't accept, the approval yet. They're going to be texting you like, thirsty dude. A personal loan is not easy to get, right? It's not like an auto loan or a mortgage, where a mortgage is attached to a house and an auto loan is attached to your car. Basically, a unsecured personal loan is them just shooting you some money, and it's not attached to nothing, no strings attached. So literally, they could shoot you some money, you could default. I mean, you would mess up your credit, but it's unsecured. It's just them shooting you money. So to prepare yourself or to be fundable for them to trust you to give you this type of money with no secure or collateral or nothing, you got to make yourself look real good. And if you have bad credit or so-so credit, one thing you could do is get a secure loan. That's what I did. I did it for only 6 months. I paid it off in 6 months. I just paid it monthly. I didn't do none of these hacks. I didn't pay off 90% of the loan the next day after I got my secure loan. I didn't do none of that nonsense. I just paid it off normally because, I don't even get the point of paying 90% off your loan. It's not like a credit card where it's utilization. It doesn't do anything. I got a $20,000 loan and I didn't pay 90% off or nothing. And guess what happened to my credit? Nothing. And another thing that you could do if you already have okay credit, so-so credit, you don't have no crazy nonsense on your credit report, you could go on the site called Lending Tree and go under personal loans. And when you do this, it basically, everything's a soft pull, first and foremost. No hard pulls here whatsoever. You go on Lending Tree, go on the personal loan, and then you pull in your information, you answer a couple of questions, and they basically going to send your application to a wide variety of lenders, all soft pulls, and a lot of them will come to you and give you offers, or a few, or one or two, but like you would get offers like you won't believe. So if you get like 2-3 offers, and if you want to make sure that later on your credit report is nice and solid, and you want to build it up nice, hey, get 1 or 2 and don't even use it for nothing. Just get it, hold it for 6 months, and then pay it off with the money that you already got. So if you got $6,000 loan and they shot $6,000 in your bank account, you make the payments with the money that they lent you for 6 months and then pay off the whole loan in 6 months. All right, this is a positive trade line on your credit report, and you're not using none of your own money, using other people's money to build up your credit. So if you get 2 or 3 or 4 of them things and just blitz it and just do that thing for 6 months, pay it off, then you have more of a solid credit profile. So maybe a year later, you want to get a loan, and now somebody looking at your credit report, analyzing your thing, and be like, okay, you got 3 loans before, you handle it no problem. Here's $20,000, here's $30,000, sir. That's how you do it, man. That's the game. You get into certain debt, you got to control the debt. You get into certain debt, you control it to make your credit profile look amazing, so you're fundable, so somebody trusts you with money. That's all this thing is. That's the game. Look fundable, look trustworthy, period, and don't look thirsty. So you shouldn't have no high utilization anywhere either. That's like up there too. Don't have maxed out credit cards talking about you want a $20,000 loan. You already look desperate. All right, so that's basically it, man. That's how I got the $20,000 loan from Penfed. Low utilization. I started off with a secure loan. I had at least $1,000. I did $2,000 secure loan. I paid that thing for 6 months, and that's it. All right, so I'm gonna have links in the description with Lending Tree and everything like that. And hey, if you want to apply, check it out. Let me know in the comments if you apply and what you got, qualified for. I love to hear it. And if you got any, suggestions on a video to shoot, just leave it in the comments too. Appreciate y'all. All right, and I'll talk to you on the next one. All right, level up, higher.